Hi everyone, let's stitch a beautiful flower basket today. Please watch the full tutorial for complete understanding of the stitches. First of all, let's do tiny woven roses. The number of strands used is 12 and the thread number I have used is 895. I always use anchor stranded cotton threads for doing hand embroidery. The name of the stitches, the number of strands used for each stitch, and the thread numbers are given in the text box in the video. For more patterns and tutorials, please check the description. Stitch the tiny woven rose very carefully. Now let's do one more woven rose. For doing the next flower, I am drawing some guiding lines. These guiding lines help us understand in which direction we should do the stitches. For the daisy flower, make straight stitches as shown in the video. Make sure the petals are separated slightly at the top and they are connected to each other at the bottom. While making the stitches, follow the guiding lines to understand the correct direction of the petals. Once the petals are finished, fill the center of the flower using French knots. The number of strands I have used here for doing French knots is 6. Similar to what we did in the previous cases, do one more daisy flower and one more woven rose flower. Next, let's do the branches using back stitch. The number of strands used for doing the branches is 3. It's always better to use green color for doing the branches and twigs. Again, let's do the daisy flower using 12 strands of thread. For doing the petals, use straight stitches as shown. Fill the center of the flower using French knots. Next, let's do the leaves. The stitch that I have used for doing the leaves is fishbone. The number of strands I have used for doing the leaves is 12. The thread number is given above. It's always better to use two shades of green color for doing the leaves. Here I have used two different shades for doing the leaves. Use tiny French knots with 6 strands to do the flower buds. Use the same color of threads which you have used for doing the flowers. The French knots are beautiful stitches which helps to make the pattern look more colorful and beautiful. Now we have finished the floral part of the pattern. Next, let's move on to the basket. For doing the holder of the basket on top, I am using chain stitch. The number of strands I have used here is 6. Next, let's use basket stitch to do the basket. For doing the basket stitch, I have used 12 strands. Carefully do the weaving stitches to do the basket as shown in the video. This is a very beautiful stitch. While doing the basket stitch, make sure not to damage the stitches that we had done before. Carefully fill the gaps in the basket as shown in the video. Next, use chain stitch to do the border of the basket. The number of strands again used is 6. Once the design is completed, please rub off the ink using a hair dryer or iron box. While removing the ink using an iron box, never press on top of the design using the iron box. More similar tutorials are given in the description. Like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more useful tutorials in future. Thank you.